Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School e-learning classes. Standard 5, Subject Science, Chapter Air. Topic of video is composition and importance of air. In previous video, we have studied about composition of air. Air is an invisible mixture of gases. It is mainly made up of nitrogen, that is 78%, and oxygen 21%. Air also contains water vapor and a small amount of other gases which constitute nearly 1%. We have also studied that air is important for both plants and animals. Oxygen is required by plants and animals to live, for breathing. Oxygen also required for burning. Now we will study about some more importance of plants and air. How air is important for plant to live and grow. Plant also required air to live and grow. Plant use the carbon dioxide present in the air to prepare their own food. This process is called as photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process by which plant uses carbon dioxide from the air and make their own food with the help of chlorophyll present in their leaves and with the help of sun. So they carry out the process of photosynthesis during daytime or during sunlight, in the presence of sunlight. For photosynthesis, the things required are carbon dioxide, which is present in air, chlorophyll, which is present in green leaves of the plant and green parts of plant, and sunlight. These three are the essential things which is required by a plant to perform photosynthesis or to cook food or make prepared food for themselves. During photosynthesis, plant absorb water from the soil with the help of roots, and that water and minerals are transported to the leaf and other parts of plant. In the presence of sunlight, with the help of chlorophyll, plants prepare their food. Nature maintains a balance. Animals and human being uses oxygen present in the air and gives out carbon dioxide gas. Plant, on the other hand, consume carbon dioxide during photosynthesis in daytime. They then give out oxygen. In this way, a balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen is maintained in the air. Oxygen is used by all the animals for breathing purpose, and they respirate out carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is utilized by the green plant during photosynthesis for preparation of their food. And during photosynthesis, plant releases oxygen gas. In this way, plant takes carbon dioxide from the air and release oxygen into the air. In this way, plants help in maintaining balance between oxygen and carbon dioxide gas present in the air. Do you know that on an average, a human being breathes 22,000 times and take in about 16 kilograms of air every day? Role of nitrogen. Nitrogen is the major gas present in the air. So, what is the role of nitrogen? Nitrogen gas present in air is also essential for the growth of plants. Nitrogen helps in the rapid growth of plant. It also helps to develop their fruits and seeds. It also increases the size and quality of their leaves. Plant therefore required nitrogen in large amount. However, plant cannot absorb nitrogen directly from the air. Nitrogen gas has to be changed into other form to be utilized by the plants. The bacteria present in the soil helps to convert the atmospheric nitrogen into such a specific form like nitrate and ammonium salts. These salts are taken by plants to specific in the specific form as needed by them. The plant root absorb these salts from the soil. Plants then use them to form proteins which are essential for their growth. So in this process, first nitrogen from the air is utilized by the bacteria present in the soil. They convert the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrate or nitrite form with these, that is in the salt form. Now these nitrogen compounds are utilized by the plant. The atmosphere present on the earth act as a shield or protective covering. Our atmosphere also acts as a shield, very much like an umbrella, to protect us from the harmful rays of sunlight. Ozone gas present in the upper layer of the atmosphere, ozone gas which is present in the upper layer of atmosphere, act as a protective covering. Ozone prevent harmful radiation of sunlight to reach on earth. Ozone prevent harmful ultraviolet rays present in the sunlight from reaching the earth's surface. These ultraviolet rays can cause skin and eye disease in animals and also may affect the growth of plants. Thus, ozone layer in the air protects the animals and plants from the harmful effects of the ultraviolet rays present in the sunlight. Thank you.